What if I told you your stomach isn't actually asking for food when it growls? And by the end of this video, you'll know the real reason it happens. You hear that rumble and think you're starving, but you're not. Your stomach makes that noise during a cleanup cycle, when it pushes leftover food and air through your intestines. If you ignore this, you'll keep dealing with those loud, awkward growls at the worst moments. But here's the easy fix. Take a few sips of water. It calms the air pockets and relaxes the muscles causing the sound, so your stomach quiets down fast.